Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, cloth seat trim, automatic air conditioning, low tire pressure warning. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.